Hello guys. I am coming with a new video today. Wish me a new idea. Wish me a new code of program. Hope you like it. Today's video will be a Python code to listed every single files on your system and write his link in a text file. You can change the directory, C, and searching in another directory by using his path. So write this Python code into any text editor and save it in Python extension. Then run the code, and you get a file txt into your computer with all files linked line by line. For developing guys, you know what I am think. You can use the method for encrypting, for example, or any other malware attack. But I am not suggesting this. Use it for the good, and God will be glad of you. You will find the code into my repository on GitHub. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Be nice to subscribe and share the video with guys who's interesting in coding.